Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of March. It is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to that giveaway, as well as there's other links down there for all my other giveaways. I have a bunch of them going on. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways. We're starting to set stuff aside for our 900 subscriber and a huge one. Big one planned for our 1,000 subscriber. Help us get there. The only way to win the giveaways is that you must be subscribed to my channel, and I do check. So today we are unboxing the Facetory 7 Lux box. And you're gonna wanna stay tuned for this because you wanna find out what's in here and find out if it's maybe a subscription that you wanna get. I love a little pamper me time, and that's what this box is all about. I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know what I think, and so I've got a playlist for that if you want to check that out later. And so that's one of the reasons why I got this subscription, is it kind of helps feed that other one, you know, it gives me the masks to try out for you guys. So we'll be trying out all these masks in upcoming masking review series. So let's find out what's in here. So Facetory is a Korean skincare subscription box. And you get 7 sheet masks, as well as there's usually a bonus item in there as well. So it says it's time to bloom. I'll say that this one was kind of beat up, and I think the whole box was kind of beat up. The bonus item box was kind of beat up. I don't know if it was just the shipping on it or what. So it's a March 7 Lux curated by Facetory. Roses are red, violets are blue. March has arrived and our skin feels renewed. This month's 7 Lux contains hydrating and refreshing sheet masks that help your skin in tip-top shape. Feel smooth and renewed. Happy masking. So Facetory does have their own line of items. I do have a link for Facetory. It'll save you some money if you want to get their Lux box. The Lux box ships out quarterly, and there's like a big full size, you know, there's masks in there, but there's also a bunch of other full size skincare bottles of goodness. Anyway, this one is from Facetory itself. It's a Soothe Me Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mask. In need of a little pick-me-up, our Soothe Me Tea Tree 2-step is infused with ingredients to help purify and restore troubled skin. I know I've been having a little trouble right here, and I know it's just all the stress and everything that's going on lately. It is perfect for helping treat blemishes and acne. Indulge in the calming sheet mask and let your stress fade away. I can't tell you guys how big it is. Everything that's going on, and it is becoming a crazy world out there. Take 10 minutes, turn off that TV, because all that news is just going to go put you in kind of a downward cycle. And that's why I wanted to do this today, is just for you guys just to sit back and relax and take your mind off things. And, you know, while you're doing it, do a mask. You know, that you're supposed to leave them on for 10 to 20 minutes. That's the time of most videos. You know, sit back, relax, enjoy a little you time. And these, you know, these masks retail, this one retails for $3. So why we love it. This 2-step mask is our go-to when our skin is acting up. We love the distress and pamper ourselves. The best part is it helps calm inflammations and redness, leaving our skin dewy, even, and healthy. It does have the tea tree, which in the ingredient helps minimize redness, prevent and relieve acne, evens out your complexion, and balances your oils without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. It does have matricia flower extract, also known as chamomile. This little flower helps soothe your skin while providing it with moisture and antioxidant protection. I do love two-step ones. It's got the first step kind of up here, and then the second step is down here. By BlingPop is the Aloe Moisturizing and Brightening Mask. The sheet mask soothes and hydrates your skin while calming aloe vera extract. Sit back and relax and let the mask do all the work. I love aloe vera in masks. Why we love it? We like using the sheet mask when our skin looks dull and adds a little radiance and glow to our skin. It does retail for $2. The key ingredients are the aloe Barbados leaf extract. This ingredient contains anti-inflammatory properties to soothe and heal skin. It also has Purina Flora root extract, also known as peony root extract. This ingredient is great for brightening and rejuvenating the skin. From Chereskin is the Wrinkle Mask with Peptides. Love me some peptides. Infused with peptides, this sheet mask certainly does wonders for our skin. It helps hydrates, calm, protects, and strengthen the skin. Why we love it? We love how calming the sheet mask feels. It is great whenever we want to pamper ourselves with moisturizing and calming sheet mask. Our skin feels smoother and looks brighter. Retails for $2. Peptides, a skin-loving ingredient, helps moisturize, restore, and protect the skin. Peptides help with increasing skin elasticity. This is the part that I love because I've got, in my mid-40s here. It helps with increasing skin elasticity and reducing inflammation. It also has the polygranonic Capsaicin root extract. This ingredient helps protect the skin barrier and reduce signs of inflammation and irritation. By Lebelage is the Pearl Solution Mask Pack. Packed with pearl and fig extracts, this hydrating mask will ensure a beautiful glow. Why they love it? This is a mask many of us use whenever we need a boost of radiance. It's perfectly hydrating and also makes our skin feel moisturized and comfortable. Key ingredients are the pearl extract. This ingredient helps brighten skin and add radiance. It also has the fig fruit extract. This ingredient helps fade dark spots and brighten the overall complexion. Retail value of this mask is $2. From Juju this is my sheet green tea calming mask. Relax with this calming and hydrating sheet mask that is infused with green tea extract. Why they love it? This is definitely one of the sheet masks that we love when we want to hydrate our skin. It also has a fun saying on the mask, so it's perfect for selfies. This is my sheet. Key ingredients are the Camellia sinensis leaf extract, a soothing ingredient that helps restore the skin and also provides antioxidant protection. It also has lactobacillus rice ferment, an ingredient that contains good bacteria that helps balance and strengthen the skin barrier. It does retail for $4. From Logically Skin is their aquatic soothing and lifting mask. Yes, please? We all need a little bit of lifting. It's a relaxing microfiber mask that delivers a revitalizing essence to wake up tired and dull skin. Why we love it? This mask fits our faces super well. It helps minimize redness, leaves our skin looking brighter and super radiant. Key ingredients are the Aquatide 5000. Now this is an award-winning peptide complex. Peptides, remember what I said? This ingredient aids in soothing fine lines. Yes, please. And improves skin elasticity. Yes, please. Retails for $5. I'm looking forward to this one. By Koz Cody is a Hydra Soother Cellulose Mask. Give your skin the treatment of deep hydration. This mask hydrates the skin, helping to maintain the health of your skin barrier. Why we love it. This mask gives us a lovely glow after application. Our skin feels super smooth and moisturized. It's perfect to use whenever we feel like our skin is dry and needs a little extra love. It contains amazing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, love, and green tea to nourish our skin. Key ingredients are hydrolyzed collagen. We all need more collagen. This is a humectant ingredient, helps keep the skin firm and plump while also providing hydration and moisture to the skin. It also has the ginger root extract. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps soothe the skin. This does retail for $3. You know, this box was only $19, and so I'll add up the total here in a little bit and let you know how much everything was. So the bonus item is by Sunjoo. It is an Aqua peeling mask. It is a gentle exfoliator that gets rid of dead skin cells and improves the skin's overall condition. Why we love it? We're pleasantly surprised to discover a hydrating peeling gel. I don't know too many peeling gels that are hydrating, so this has me kind of intrigued. This gentle exfoliator removes dead skin without being harsh or leaving the skin feeling dry. In fact, we notice our complexion looks brighter and feels perfectly hydrated and comfortable. I know a lot of peeling masks can make you uncomfortable, so yeah, really intrigued by this. It has rice bran water, a balancing, soothing, and brightening ingredient that helps smooth out skin texture and hydrates the skin for a plump appearance. It also has yeast beta glucan. This ingredient contains antioxidant properties and is also great for smoothing redness and calming of irritated skin. This does retail for $24. I do a peeling series, I do a hydration series, I do all sorts of, I do an overnight series, a radiant series, all sorts of different series on here. And so I can't wait to try all of these out in there. Let me add up the total of all of this for you guys. So total of this box was $45. You know, you only spent $19 for it. So I think it's a really good deal. I really like the Facetory subscription. Everything I've gotten, I've really liked. I highly recommend them. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does mean the world to me. It means so much to me when you guys like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Just hit that subscribe button twice. It'll ask you if you want to turn on the all notifications. Please do. It really helps us out when you guys watch all of our videos. Helps us out with the watch time minutes because we're really trying really hard here to get this monetized, and we got to get our watch time. We have to hit 1,000 subscribers plus get our watch time minutes up, and that's where we're kind of lacking the most. So if you guys can do that, it would really help us out. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos. If you have the time, go and check them out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.